giants like JP Morgan and Bank of America, which are actively pursuing tokenization of traditional assets. Projected to hit $30 trillion by 2030, the tokenization industry has become a hot topic in the crypto scene, with projects such as Floki looking to jump on it. Anthony Welfare, Ripple's CBDC advisor, revealed in July that Ripple aims to transform the real estate industry through tokenization. In the previous interview, David Schwartz expressed his desire to see the XRPL serve as a go-to platform for tokenized real-world assets. He noted that the XRPL boasts all the attractive features for this purpose, including low fees. So very fantastic news here. Guys, let me know what you know about the XRPL, what you know about ledgers and real world asset tokenization. I'd love to see how this revolutionizes the real world or the real estate industry, and seeing kind of what their vision with that is. I'd love to know. Next, we got this article coming in from U.Today. XRP Explorer modifies rich list feature. Here's the impact. So let's get into it. So XRP Scan, a prominent XRP Explorer, has implemented a crucial modification that can drive transparency within the XRP community. The platform said it's modified its rich list feature, which can enable any member of the community to properly profile wallet engagements to see who has the larger holdings of XRP. The move from XRP Scan came from a response to an X user at CryptoC James, who shared with the community how rigorous it is to fish out the various Ripple-based escrow wallets. The modifications made now bring the hard-to-see wallets into the spotlight, making it easier for any community member who wants to explore such information. Based on the current reorganization, addresses linked to blockchain payments company Ripple Labs Inc. occupy the top 12 positions of the largest XRP holders. The first 6 of these addresses have a total of 5 billion, I believe that's 5 billion, XRP each locked in escrow. 4 of the wallets also have different amounts in escrow, ranging from 2 billion XRP to 3.5 billion XRP respectively. Ripple also has wallets with massive XRP balances that are not held in escrow. The 2 wallets in the category include one with 1.9 billion XRP and less funded one with 1.5 billion. I think that's billion XRP. Very interesting, guys. Well, guys, that's all we have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some important information out of it. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the comment section below. If you want more Reddit posts, more Twitter posts, more articles, we would love to know. If you want me to cover some YouTube videos, cover more charts, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll get that for you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And with that, guys, have a fantastic day. And until the next video, good luck trading. Take care, y'all.
Everyone, welcome back to our channel where we focus on XRP related news, and today we are going to talk about what is going on with XRP and what we think the future price predictions are going to be, and along with all sorts of news about the cryptocurrency itself. So with our first post here, let's just go ahead. It's by specific_charge3461 on the r/XRP Reddit. By the way, this is a great resource / community to find out what's going on inside the Ripple XRP community and hopefully help you gain insight on your trading with XRP or investments with XRP. So the headline of this post is XRP is never going back to 0.50 or 0.48, just like it never went back to 0.38 after the lawsuit. Now, let's read what he has to say, because this is a crazy claim that's very controversial, and as we can see, it has way more comments than it does have upvotes at. So it's going to be very, very controversial. For those of you who sell to buy back expecting the price to drop, I'm just here to tell you what a mistake, my friend. Because if you sell now expecting it to go back to 0.48, then sorry for your loss. The price of XRP is going to stabilize at 0.69 until the next bull run. It's going to stabilize at a certain price again and again. It's going to be a little bull run and a little stabilization until it reaches the promised numbers that we're all hoping. It's not going to happen overnight. The goal is to buy and forget about it. Buy as much as you can afford to lose, and buy as much as you think you need to make yourself a large profit to quit your 9 to 5. I don't know how much you own, but I'm not selling unless it reaches 100. Call me delusional if you want, but I'm not more delusional than the guy who makes $300 in profit, sells and buys back again, and ending up losing all the profits because they won't be able to buy it at the same price again. We're here to last, baby. We're here for the big check. So what color do you want for your Lamborghini? That's a funny last liner. Now it's important to be careful about these posts because they definitely get you really hyped up for sure, right? But you don't want to get too excited because if you get too excited, your expectations are high. I think when it comes to any sort of investing, you keep your emotions out the door. Anyways, let's read the comments related to this post. I remember when XRP would never go below $1. Good times. I first bought it in at 1.39 because a friend told me it was a good price. I did buy more after it dropped. I don't remember off the top of my head, but my average is definitely under $1. At this point, I've been just holding for 2 to 3 years and will continue to do so. Wow, look at that. The Chorizo Bandit. Does this sub have a comedy flair? That is a funny comment. Kind of mean, but still really funny. You can say never and believe it as much as you want, but the hard truth to swallow is that doesn't mean you are right. You know that scene from The Wolf of Wall Street where that one dude says, "No one knows whether the market's gonna go flipping up or flipping down, all right? Our goal is just to sell the stock," or something like that. I don't know if it's exactly that, but it's something like that, right? I think that is something we need to take in account here. And listening to bold claims like this, even though they give us hope, is not good. Okay. Now, I'm going to say this. That being said, XRP/Ripple and Cardano, but since this is an XRP channel, we're talking about XRP, have been really pushing things when it comes to progress for their crypto. I mean, they've been making a crap ton of progress compared to a bunch of cryptocurrencies. And Ripple has been doing so much related to working with other countries and their CBDCs and trying to pretty much make something that allows banks to send large transactions in a short amount of time, which is still a difficult thing to do till this day, right? And I think XRP is going to have a big role in this technology that Ripple is working on. But yeah. I think this is a interesting post. It's kind of funny, but let's get more into the serious stuff, which, sort of analyzes the current prices of Bitcoin. So as of XRP. So as we can see right here, you can see, let's do a 5-day chart of XRP. You can see it's actually on the decline. That is not good. That being said, I do think the crypto market overall, as we can see in this 1-month chart, is overall bearish. I think the crypto market overall is bullish, so it's on an increase. So I don't think that XRP is gonna shit its pants again. Excuse my language, but I do think that it breaking $1 anytime soon is not very not very much in the likelihood. That being said, if there is a crypto bull run, like many traders are assuming, I'm sure if you guys hop on TikTok and listen to the top traders right now, they're a lot of them are saying there's gonna be a crypto bull run. If there's a crypto bull run, XRP very well could break $1. But again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. That's just another Google Finance XRP to United States dollar analysis, and there's some news related to it. How about we click on this? Let's see this article right here. XRP News, Ripple CEO talks crypto with the SEC and Ripple filing a joint briefing schedule. XRP bucked the broader market trend on Thursday with no settlement in the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case in sight, raising the prospects of an appeal. Here's some key insights of this article. XRP declined by 30% on Thursday, ending the session at 0.6668. The SEC and Ripple jointly proposed a briefing schedule on Thursday. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse talked about crypto regulation and a SEC regulation by enforcement mantra at DC FinTech Week. The Thursday overview. On Thursday, XRP declined by 3% after a 0.25% gain from Wednesday. XRP ended the day at 0.6668. So October 24th, the court ordered the SEC and Ripple to jointly propose a briefing schedule by November 9th. Hopes of a settlement in the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case faded, with neither side offering updates from settlement talks. This thing is going to drag on for a long time, I think. not too long, but I do think once a lot of these SEC cases close, we're more likely towards a crypto bull run overall. Because once the regulations are set in place, right, it makes sense for a crypto bull run to happen, because that's when we're going to start switching to digital currencies, when it becomes the standard. Now let's go to the next article from Forbes. A 17.7 trillion crypto window just quietly opened amid huge Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP surge. This is the golden goose article of this video. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and XRP, have rocketed higher this week, despite serious warnings that BlackRock and the US government could be about to kill Bitcoin. I'm going to cover this on our Bitcoin channel, so I'll link that in the description so you guys can watch this video. And Bitcoin has topped 36,000 per Bitcoin, putting 40,000 in touching distance for the first time since May 2022, and helping add 600 billion to the combined Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto market since January, ahead of an imminent watershed moment. Now, amid fears of a sudden Bitcoin rug pull, a window has quietly opened up that could see Wall Street giants that look after 7.7 trillion flow into the Bitcoin and crypto market. That the week saw the opening of an 8-day window between November 9th and November 17th, in which all 12 U.S. Bitcoin spot exchange traded fund ETF filings currently lodged with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) could be approved. According to Bloomberg intelligence analyst James Seffart and Eric Bolunchanas, BlackRock's June Bitcoin spot ETF filing kicked off a race among some of Wall Street's biggest asset managers, looking after a combined 17.7 trillion. That's a lot to bring a fully fledged Bitcoin fund to market following years of SEC denials. Delayed orders were issued by SEC for BlackRock, Bitwise, VanEck, Wisdom. So this is all related to the ETF situation that's going around with Bitcoin. So a lot of these big firms are trying to make Bitcoin ETFs that individuals can invest their money into. Now, this is something that's very controversial, and I think a lot of the viewers on this channel are pretty young, and they don't understand how big of a dilemma this is for the SEC itself to approve these ETFs. The US has a lot of trouble regulating any cryptocurrency, or most cryptocurrencies, because a lot of them are decentralized, right? So the SEC sees it as a risk to approve these Bitcoin ETFs because Bitcoin isn't regulated by the US government. And even if regulations are put into place, Bitcoin is still decentralized. Do you understand me with this? So it's really difficult on the US's end to approve something for people to invest in which they don't have much control over, which is scary, right? And I think we're going to be waiting a bit more longer than we think we are for these ETFs to get approved, because there's going to be a lot of debate about these decisions related to these ETF approvals. And it's not just the SEC that might be against it. It's all the people that grew up in the old school manner of handling money and using money. Like, you know how Warren Buffett feels about cryptocurrencies, right? All those people are going to be against something like this, likely. So I think that's something we all need to keep in mind. Anyways, that is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. It will help us reach our goal of monetization so we can bring you more content. Thank you and have a great day.
Ripple integration with ISDA ushers in $1.2 quadrillion market. Can XRP breach $100? SEC announces private meeting. Investors await Ripple lawsuit settlement. And XRP price might be looking at a decline even as speculation of Ripple and SEC settling intensify. Guys, we've got so much to talk about today in the XRP community. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video to get all the important information. I'm your host, Amr, and let's not waste any more time and hop right into it. So first, we got this Reddit post coming in from the Reddit XRP, or the XRP subreddit. So, hey there, I recently decided on a whim a couple days ago to buy $100 worth of Shiba Inu. I ended up losing like $13 within less than 12 hours, figures. So I decided to trade it for $87 worth of XRP. Now I've been hearing about XRP for months, and I know the plan is to drop really, really low and then skyrocket by early 2024. If I just got a paycheck today, would it be worth investing over half my paycheck for the next couple months each time and just buying it and holding it? I've never traded before or made any type of profit, and I know I'm starting out pretty slow, but I do believe there will be hope one day if I stay diligent and responsible, guys. So I saw this post. I didn't even look at the comments. I wanted to highlight this post because I thought it'd be hilarious. I know the comments are buy and hold. Stop jumping around to everything. Jeez, you will never make a dime doing that. Yeah, valid. One, you will lose money trading on the daily time frame. Shiba is due to coin. Buy and hold XRP. And the plan is to drop really low and skyrocket early 2024. Who is giving out these plans now, and why wasn't I told? How the truth is no plan. Only invest what you can afford. Valid. Just to tag on the advice here, losses and gains are only realized once you sell. Crypto is very volatile, and you become familiar with how often a percentage decrease is corrected within an increase from week to week, day to day, hour to hour, and vice versa. There's a chance that within the next few days, weeks, or month that Shiba would become more valuable than when you sold it, or it's also likely that it could be less valuable. Very, very interesting. Solid advice, and yeah, very, very, very interesting. Plan your trade and trade your plan. If you treat the market like a casino, it will treat you like a gambler. Woo! Solid. I like that line right there. Your last sentence says it all. Don't risk it. Yeah, guys, I would not be investing more than half your paycheck into any trading, especially if you're doing daily trading. I don't know. Very interesting methodology this person has. Granted, they're new, so we can give them a little bit of a pass. But yeah, guys, at least they got their questions answered. I mean, wow. Yeah, I think I'll do a little bit more research before you start putting a lot of money out there and putting more than half of each your paychecks into it. Very interesting. But yeah, thought you guys would be interested in that. So next, we got this other post coming in, the market cap argument. For the life of me, I cannot understand the market cap argument everyone brings up when it comes to price predictions. Bitcoin's all-time high was over 1 trillion at one point. XRP at $100 a coin would be roughly 5 trillion. Why is this not feasible, especially when the US is over 33 trillion in debt? Please make it make sense. I don't know what 33. Okay, I swear this sub is degenerating dangerously fast. What a great way to start a comment. The US is over 33 trillion what? The national debt? What does that have to do with the market? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And why would you even try to compare the market cap of a market and an asset? 33 trillion is the new tree pity. I love that. Here's the myth of the market cap. Look at the whole entire crypto space is a speculative market, meaning the prices are fake and all the idiots are watching charts are fake, which means market cap is fake. XRP is not hindered by its market cap by any means. What's hindered is by its manipulated price, which again is fake. Very interesting. I agree with him. I don't know if fake is the right word. I think it's commutative and it's on belief. As of right now, it's on belief. Um, which I think isn't fake. You know, I don't think it's fake per se, but I see what they're trying to say, right? It's not tied to an actual, real world assets yet, right? However, I think that will change in the future as more products as XRP and cryptocurrency in general kind of take hold on the market. Granted, I don't think it's going to be like a thing, but it's going to be a lot less volatile, and I don't think it's going to be on hope anymore. Very interesting. First of all, market cap is a measurement tool used for stocks. It is designed for stocks. Crypto didn't even exist, so you can't realistically apply it to crypto. Crypto is different. Crypto is not a stock. Sure, lots of people use it to compare, but it's not accurate. You're correct. It can go to 5 trillion easy and more in time. Also, there are over 20,000 cryptos. 99% of them will go to zero. In a few years, there will be about 200 crypto projects sharing the market evaluation. XRP will definitely be in the top 5 and have a huge share of money in the space. People need to understand crypto and do more research. I agree. I really agree. What I found is surprisingly, compared to other social media platforms, Reddit is the most based out of all of them. I'm not gonna say Reddit has sourced and valuable information, But if you're trying to find a social media platform that has the best solid advice, I think Reddit is pretty good. Unfortunately, the XRP Reddit subreddit is pretty dry, but a lot of people are actually a lot better about it than on Twitter. On Twitter, you get a bunch of moon boys, and yeah, what I've seen on Facebook. Oh, well, I don't want to get into there, but yeah, a lot of solid advice that people give on here. Granted, guys, that comes with like a grain of salt. Make sure you're doing your own research and kind of looking into that. But next, let's not wasting more time and get into some articles. So XRP price might be looking at a decline, even as speculation of Ripple and SEC settling intensify. And we'll actually cover the whole Ripple and SEC case a little bit later. Um, but let's get into the price and why it might decline. Sorry about that. So here, let's take a look at this chart. Now, guys, I'm not very familiar with charts. I just turned something off. I didn't turn my camera off. I meant to turn my camera off. Sorry about that. But yeah, guys, I'm not too familiar with charts. I'm not a chart analyst, nor am I even a financial advisor or financial analyst. I'm just here to kind of talk about the news and stuff like that. But I do like bringing up the charts for you guys to see, because there's probably somebody out there who does analyze charts, and maybe you guys can leave some informative comments for everybody else. And also, I think, even if you don't really understand it completely, you can get a general idea like, oh yeah, okay, that's like a god candle, the price increased a lot, oh, the price decreased a lot, and just, I think, keeping an eye on it, even for casual traders, is good to run your eyes over it. And I mainly focus on these analyzations. So XRP price might find some difficulty in charting gains even after the settlement of the lawsuit, in part due to the broader market cues turning bearish. The decline noted by the Ripple token in the last 2 weeks has seen the altcoin fall by almost 19%, bringing XRP below the 60-cent mark. Looking at the moving average conversion divergence (MACD), the chances of bearish moving going forward seem more likely. The indicator maintains a bearish crossover with red bar still standing on the histogram. Thus, if the altcoin sees further decline, a test of the 55-cent support line is likely to follow a failed breach of the 59-cent resistance line. Losing this support would completely wipe out the 31% gain noted in the past month, sending XRP to 54 cents. However, successful breach combined with rising optimism and potential settlement would result in the recovery of XRP price to ascertain the rally. The 60-cent resistance needs to be flipped into the support floor. This will allow Ripple to tag the next resistance of 69 cents, and breaching it would invalidate the bearish thesis, pushing XRP price beyond 70 cents. Cool. Now you guys would like a little bit of a price analysis into there. Next, let's get into a little bit about the SEC case. Let's get into the SEC case. Sorry about that, guys. So, in recent development, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission revealed a closed-door meeting scheduled for Thursday, November 30th. The undisclosed agenda includes crucial topics such as the institution and settlement of injunctive action, administrative proceedings, resolution of litigation claims, and other matters related to examinations and enforcement proceedings. Sorry about that. While the official announcement from the SEC abstains from naming Ripple or XRP directly, the news has reignited speculation within the XRP community. Discussions surrounding the potential settlement of ongoing litigations in the so-called XRP case have intensified given the secretive nature of the upcoming meeting. Last week, U.Today reported on the current status of the Ripple vs. SEC legal battle, focusing on the remedies discovery phase. Key dates have been set, with both Ripple and SEC required to complete the remedies-related discovery by February 12th, 2024. Absolutely insane, guys. And they kind of go into the the fine that SEC is requesting. They haven't officially requested it yet, but that's what this is the figure they're numbering at for Ripple to pay in terms of in terms of a fine. It's a final figure that they're looking for this whole court case. Let's see how far that takes it. Next, let's get into this article. Ripple integration with the ISDA ushers in $1.2 trillion market. Can XRP breach $100? So, early in August 2023, Ripple, a crypto payment solution, announced its membership with the International Swaps and Derivative Association, ISDA. The strategic move came as a pleasant surprise to the XRP community members, as it positioned XRP to fully partake in the massive $1.2 quadrillion derivatives market. Ripple's entry into this prestigious club is seen as a significant milestone, allowing the crypto payments company to stand alongside financial giants such as JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and the London Stock Exchange. Many XRP enthusiasts are looking forward to a bullish outlook for the XRP token. Some have even mulled over the possibility of XRP breaching the $100 threshold. This expectations are fueled by consideration that a successful performance in the derivatives market could serve as a catalyst for significant price movement in the cryptocurrency. Presently, the price of XRP has not shown any notable price growth, even with the speculation that a Ripple IPO is imminent. Nevertheless, enthusiasts remain vigilant, closely observing the cryptocurrency for any developments that could propel its price upwards. A $100 milestone, if achieved, has the potential to further strengthen the altcoin's position in the crypto space. We are really far from a $100 milestone, but man, the day we hit that is the day I would be crying. I'll be in tears of joy. Lord, dang, that would be insane. Yeah, and they kind of go more about the price, the reasons of different predictions, but we've covered all these past reasons. I haven't covered this ISDA entrance for XRP, so I thought I wanted to touch on that for you guys. But yeah, anyways guys, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and until the next video, I'm your host Amr. Have a good one and good luck trading. Hello. XRP Ledger smashes a big milestone. XRP price gains likely sustainable as Ripple on-chain metrics turn bullish, and Uphold bets big on XRP. $1.28 billion investment signals bullish outlook. Guys, we've got a lot to talk about today, so make sure you stick around for the whole entire video to get all the most important information. I'm your host Amr, and let's just get right into it, y'all. First, we got this tweet coming in from XRP Whale at Real XRP Whale, breaking 25.3 million XRP transferred from anonymous wallet to hashtag Bitstamp. In case you guys don't know, at the time of trading, that was 14.685 million USD. So quite a lot going on. XRP Whale had to comment on this saying, "Wow, it's happening." Whoa, whoa, whoa. House of XRP is responding saying, "Yes, dump coming as usual, especially in a few days. Escrow dump 2. It's happening. That means they're selling." Oh, wow. Yes, this is a very cool story. Yeah, very cool, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this huge move of XRP. It's not something light. Next, we got this tweet coming in from Jack the Rippler. Big move at Uphold Inc. teams up with at Ripple for real-time cross-border hashtag XRP transactions in the US. Uphold's decision to purchase XRP from the open market rather than using customer deposits shows their commitment to transparency and trust. Very, very nice. This is very cool. This article gets deeper into it. I'll cover a little bit about the Uphold situation in a little further down into the video, but this is absolutely insane. Very, very cool. I can't wait to dive more into that. Next, we got this from Cypress Demanicore at C Demanicore. This low-key seems fishy to me. Anyone else? Question mark. Why would Uphold be giving 20k units of XRP away if it's going to be worth hundreds, even thousands in the futures? Just a thought. Open comments on this one. So here we can see the screenshot that he's taking in regards to Uphold giving away 20k units. So let's see what people have to say. Mikkel said, "Because it's not worth that now." That's fair. That's valid. Very true. Very true. Yeah, right here you can see that tweet, or that the notification for the 20k up for grabs. Very interesting. What I want to know is where you're able to screenshot that. Uphold won't let me screenshot my own account or anything else in their app. They partner with Ripple. That's why it's a thought is an increase in base value sometime in the future, as a casino would do. Keeping the player at the table is a double win. The value remains in the exchange pool for positive alliance items and gets fed back into the pot to increase exchange transaction activities. This is a very interesting take by Patrick Gadut here. Yeah, so essentially what he's saying is like, yeah, they're going to give away like this 20k to cultivate and to grow the community a little bit more, and in the sense that, or not even just the community, but the market as well, to get this 20k out into circulation is kind of what I think they're trying to do, and it's also going to incentivize a lot more people to trade. They're able to get their hands on the 20k. Very interesting here. Very good note by Patrick Gadut. Next, let's get into this article from Coinpedia talking about the Uphold situation. So, in case you guys don't know, Uphold is working with Ripple payments, as we're seeing in the past two tweets. So let's get into it. So the crypto world is a fascinating place indeed, and Uphold's partnership with Ripple is a significant milestone. This decision to introduce Ripple payments ODL services in the United States highlights Uphold's forward-thinking approach aimed at improving the broader financial landscape. This bold move shows Uphold's strong commitment to nurturing innovation and supporting technologies that could change traditional finance. Despite regulatory challenges and other US-based exchanges delisting XRP, Uphold's support for XRP remains strong. It's not just talk. Uphold holds a remarkable $1.28 billion worth of XRP, making up to 62.21% of its total crypto assets. Uphold's transparency portal emphasizes their dedication to XRP in its future. What's fascinating is that even when you consider major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, Lumens, Cardano, and Shiba Inu together, they make up less than 10% of Uphold's cryptocurrency holdings. For instance, Ethereum accounts for only 3.84% of Uphold's crypto assets, valued at $78,000 or $78.4 million in Ethereum. In contrast, XLM, a competitor to XRP, makes up less than 3%, totaling $52 million in tokens. This huge difference underscores Uphold's massive 2,400% more XRP holdings compared to XLM. Cardano and Shiba Inu together make up less than 2% of Uphold's reserves. This highlights the strong presence of XRP on Uphold's platform, even drawing praise from notable figures like John Deaton, the pro XRP lawyer who believes XRP could outperform Bitcoin. Could this be the beginning of the journey? So here we can see the tweet talking about it. So it's very interesting seeing Uphold kind of take this route. We'll see how it plays out in the long run, but I'd love to see Uphold being, really back in XRP and really standing, they're standing on business right now for real. Like, yeah. John Dean had to say, in regards to the Uphold buying XRP on an open market, it bears mentioning that XRP makes up Uphold's largest crypto holding, amounting to $1.25 billion worth of the token in customer funds. For context, customer only hold $168 million worth of Bitcoin on Uphold. Wow. 10 times the price, 10 times the XRP to Bitcoin. That really surprised me. Very, very true. So following the FTX example, Uphold is committed to ethical conduct. I'd love to see that. Absolutely. I think FTX, the whole situation, is a great example of what not to do. And I'm glad Uphold is, really thoughtful about that and really trying to make the effort to be ethical. We'd love to see that. They promise to source the XRP from the open market without using customer funds for Ripple payments, which shows their commitment to transparency and customer-focused operations. Guys, the fact that they even got to say that is absolutely insane. Like, guys, we promise we're not going to steal your assets. It's just wild to me, but yeah. So there's been a lot of challenges facing XRP, and, I think this is what was needed for XRP to, or I don't know if it's what it's needed, but it's definitely going to help XRP, kind of break out. But that's my personal opinion. I'm not offering any financial advice, any financial, encouragement or anything like that. Don't buy, don't sell on my word. I'm just trying to spread what I'm seeing in the XRP community, and then I'll be talking about my personal opinions here and there. Next, we got this article coming in from FX Street. XRP price gains likely sustainable as Ripple on-chain metrics turn bullish. So let's get right into it. So Ripple price climbed to $0.55 level and offered 6.2% weekly gains to holders as the asset sustains above the 0.5 psychological barrier. Its rally is supported by bullish on-chain metrics. That said, there's a possibility of correction in XRP price. If the asset drops to support at 50 cents, it could plummet lower. The downside is likely limited with bullish developments making headlines. XRP's chief officer Brad Garlinghouse recently voiced his dissent on former SEC chief Jay Clayton's comments on Squawk's interview, and that's a whole different story. We can get into that later. But yeah, very, very cool take here. We'd love to see Ripple kind of taking its position and starting to get the traction that I think it deserves. Very cool. So I also wanted to cover this portion here. Technical analysis. XRP price could crash 12% if this occurs. Akash Girimoth, lead technical analyst at FX Street, evaluated the XRP price trend and predicted a 12% decline in the asset. Find out more here. Girimoth's thesis is based on the spike in XRP whale transactions at a local top at $0.586. XRP price climbed 20% between October 19th and 24th and hit the asset's local top. Ripple price has declined nearly 7% since the local top, and the analyst predicts further decline in XRP price if bulls remain absent. A price drop could cause a breakdown of the $0.54 support level and push XRP to its 0.5 barrier before sliding lower. So we'll see if that ultimately happens. Regardless, hopefully it doesn't, but something you gotta be prepared for regardless. Next, we got this article coming in from U.Today. XRP Ledger smashes big milestone. So let's get right into it. So the XRP Ledger has reached a significant milestone, this time in terms of the number of NFTs minted on the platform. Over 3 million NFTs have been minted on the XRP Ledger, according to BitHump statistics. Currently, 3.3 million total NFTs have been minted with the XLS 20 standard. A total of 2.9 million NFTs currently exist with 30,000 or about 31,000 owners. Total issuers are now 5.8 thousand, while 347.3 thousand NFTs have been burned. NFT transfer stood at 1.4 million. NFTs are incorporated into the XRPL core protocol, and unlike issued currencies, also known as native tokens, do not require smart contracts for creation or transfer. In October 2022, NFTs were standardized by XLS 20, delivering benefits such as royalties and anti-spam measures. XRP Ledger saw NFT growth last quarter. On-chain analytics firm Misari released a quarter-3 report for XRP over the weekend detailing the progress and milestones accomplished in the previous quarter. XRPL experienced a 390% increase in DEX volumes, with this much activity coming shortly after landmark Ripple ruling in July. So guys, we're seeing a lot of really good things happen for Ripple. A lot of stuff is coming into motion. I think we're going to see some big changes within the next year, or maybe even sooner. But I know this next year is going to be a crazy one for cryptocurrency in general and XRP as well. I think especially for XRP. But guys, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it. It would help us out so much. And yeah, until the next video, guys, hope you guys have a good one and good luck trading.
Hello everyone, it is Crypto News Report. We are back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about XRP as usual. So let's see what kind of news we have in for XRP today. So we have our first post from the XRP Reddit from Beyonder, and the title goes like this: taking a chance. And he's basically saying, I sold all of my XRP in the tens of thousands at 0.62 cents today. Set a limit buyback at 0.55 cents to gain just over 10k XRP. Hopefully I made a good play. I see. So he's trying to gain some good profits, reap some good profits from XRP, and maybe get some more back. So was this the next big sacrifice for us all? Only time will tell, is a comment made by, I'm not going to read that username. The last time this was posted, XRP took off and never revisited the buy price. I'll take one for the team here, sacrifice myself so y'all can live. And this post from Yellow Monkeys ZX93, it says, first was 0.48 guy, now you, only time will tell. So it seems like other people are doing something similar to what Beyonder is doing himself. Um, hope it goes straight to $1. I might get shot down and voted, and it isn't something I would do, especially with taxes and cap gains. But he/she may have a shot. The SEC and Ripple are meeting on the 30th, and it could be a sell. It could be a sell the news type event causing a pullback. Oof, that is not good. But I think we should probably really take into consideration this underrated comment. We did make a video on the SEC and the Ripple meeting, and I'm guessing it's related to what's happening on the 30th. So, yeah, let's see the next highest comment. I don't see that in the charts, but who knows? You might catch a wick. Damn near any price is possible with a wick. With what's going on, especially with the SEC and Ripple meeting on the 30th, I think it's quite possible he actually could make his money back on XRP. So only time will tell. I personally think that this is a 50-50 chance. Really, I think the meeting on the 30th will really decide what happens here. But best of luck to this guy, and best of luck to those who are still holding. Obviously, it won't go in both of their favors. So again, only time will tell. All right, next piece of news. Xrp News, regulatory risks loom as investors consider an SEC appeal. Xrp inches up, but SEC's looming appeal casts shadows on its 0.70 cents forecast. So, the Saturday overview. On Saturday, Xrp gained 0.24% following a 0.02% rise on Friday. Xrp ended the day at 0.6229 cents. SEC versus Ripple uncertainty and regulatory risk remain headwinds. On Saturday, there were no SEC versus Ripple case related updates to the investor appetite for XRP. However, uncertainty toward the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case and increasing regulatory scrutiny remain headwinds. Yes, of course. And I think this is very true. I don't think this is just a headline to scare us. I think this is actually plausible that what is going on with the SEC and Ripple and the uncertainty around what is going to go on with the regulations around XRP itself will really affect the price. And it can either make it go in a positive or a negative direction based on what comes out of this meeting between the SEC and Ripple. So since we already sort of talked about this, let's talk about this next headline over here. Programmatic sales of XRP ruling and SEC appeal on the horizon. A lower penalty could increase market expectations of the SEC, appealing the programmatic sales ruling. The SEC sued Kraken for acting as a broker, dealer, exchange, and clearing agency for crypto asset securities. Kraken also faces charges for commingling customer fiat and crypto assets with its own. This is not good, and this is kind of similar to the FTX situation. So again, this is just a PSA for all of you. I personally am going to. If I had money in Kraken, I would take it out. That's just my opinion. I'm not giving anyone advice. I'm just saying if I personally had money in Kraken, I would take it out and I'd put it onto a hardware wallet. In the court filing, the SEC listed 16 crypto as securities. XRP was notably absent from the list because of the programmatic sales ruling. An SEC win against Kraken and Coinbase could incentivize the SEC to appeal the programmatic sales ruling. The matter of classifying cryptos as securities is a significant one for the SEC and the crypto market. A successful appeal could give the SEC more powers to regulate the U.S. digital asset space by enforcement. However, if Judge Catherine Filey grants the Coinbase motion to dismiss MTD, the court could throw out the Kraken case. Significantly, a Coinbase win could force U.S. lawmakers to expedite the rollout of a U.S. regulatory framework and quash fears over the SEC appealing the pragmatic sales ruling. I think with what's going on with the SEC and all these crypto exchanges and cryptocurrency companies is something that we really can't predict at all. As much as I'd like to predict what will happen, I cannot say for sure. And it's a tough situation. I do think it is going to impact the prices of plenty of cryptocurrencies too. All right. So this is this daily chart stuff. I'm not going to cover any of that. So we're just going to move on to the next article. This is from Cryptopolitan, and the previous article was from FX Empire. This one's from Cryptopolitan, though. Ripple whales move $30 million to exchanges. How low will XRP drop? That is some scary stuff. So if Ripple whales are moving $30 million to exchanges, that means they're probably going to get ready to sell that crypto. I'm not saying that's for sure. That's just my prediction or my opinion. So yeah, Ripple whales move millions of dollars worth of XRP. large transfers of 30 million worth of the token to central exchanges. This has raised concerns among various investors and wonder if its price will plummet. Yeah, I would be worried too, personally. If I saw Ripple whales moving this much XRP, and again, it would probably mean that, in my opinion, that they're looking to sell this XRP that they moved to these crypto exchanges. Following reports by Willow, a blockchain market analysis firm, a transfer of almost 50 million XRP tokens was exchanged to centralized financial firms, estimated a total of $31 million in the transfers. The tokens were exchanged to the Luxembourg city-based crypto exchange Bitstamp, which received 25.20 million tokens. CEX Bitso received 25 million tokens, and on Friday, November 24th, the same Ripple wallet transferred 43.80 million XRP tokens between the two exchanges. Wow, so there's not much I can say other than I don't think this is a good sign for XRP, especially if people are looking to sell. Now, does this mean that the SEC decision is going to likely negatively impact XRP? I don't know, but it is possible that the whales that are in control of the $30 million worth of XRP may have predicted this, or are predicting this. And that is why they're looking to sell their XRP. So that is something just to look out for. I might sell my XRP and buy back at a lower price. And I think I might even follow this fellow strategy right here, Beyonder strategy. I think it makes sense amid this news with the Ripple whales moving so much money to the exchanges, and the XRP in the SEC meeting, or the Ripple and SEC meeting. So yeah, and this is our final article. Over 1,900 XRPL wallets now hold $1 million plus XRP, while 28 wallets hold at least 500 million XRP. So let's see where this holds out to. Okay, so XRP Rich List resource confirms that despite an observable decline, over 1,900 wallets on the XRP ledger XRPL still hold $1 million plus XRP, while 28 wallets hold more than $500 million XRP tokens. Wow, that is very, very interesting. So the XRPL ledger. Amid the sustained bearishness, XRP has witnessed a notable drop in millionaire addresses as selling pressure builds. Yeah, so again, it looks like a lot of people are selling, and I think I might do a similar strategy to what Beyonder is doing, especially since it seems like many investors are selling. Does this mean that XRP is over? No, I don't think so. I think I'm just going to buy it back at a lower price if I decide to go with Beyonder strategy right here. But other than that, I feel like a lot of this article, or the rest of it, is fluff. And by the way, this article is from the Crypto Basic. So it looks like I will likely sell. Personally, I'm not giving anyone advice to sell. Again, what you do with your crypto is what you do with your crypto. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your crypto. But I will likely sell my XRP and buy it back at a lower price, hoping to make back some cash from it. Or hoping to make more XRP from me selling it now. So that's sort of the situation. I don't think there's much to say other than that. So, good luck trading, guys. Remember, these videos are not financial advice and just our opinions. Adios.
Ripple CLO says judges are criticizing SEC for its shady behavior. SEC versus Ripple behind the scenes activity on a focal point, and ETF or Ripple IPO, which will skyrocket XRP's price to $25. Guys, we've got so much to talk about today. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video. Sorry my room is a mess. Hope you guys don't mind. Just look at my beautiful face instead. But I'm your host, Amr, and let's just jump right into it. Firstly, we got this Reddit post coming from Messengers Around Us, and it says, "Dear 48-cent guy, no one knows how long this current dip is going to go. Perhaps start considering a layered re-entry. May your limit orders fill gracefully. P.S. May be tempted to revenge by shorting on this red. Just be careful. Peace and prosperity to all." If you guys don't know, the 48 cents guy is kind of someone who's a little bit of a meme here. So Far Education had to respond saying, "I have set multiple huge limit buys across many exchanges in the 49 to 51 cent range, just so his legacy lives on. How much did the 48-cent guy have in XRP? Lol, I keep hearing about him, but unsure how many shares he offered. Not shares." Yeah, valid. You guys think too much. DCA every day and forget about it. I don't know about every day. below. He still might get it. This is crypto. A lot of you seem to think because XRP has a little rally, it's over for him. How many times have we broken above 50 cents and been back below 40? Very valid. A lot. He's patient. I respect that. A lot of you guys have balls of of creps and would have bought back in at 70 cents. Interesting. Yeah, fair, valid. Yeah, very interesting. Let me know what you guys think about the 48-cent guy. Next, we got this tweet coming in from JD underscore 757 hashtag XRP daily update. Now touching the bottom of the green box support. Glad we knew it was coming. Either we bounce off creating HH or we hit the orange box, which I have my first buy order. Glad we loaded up during extreme fear last year. So up or down, I'm ready, no emotion. So here, I'm gonna just turn off my camera for a quick second. Here we can see the box at the target mark. Glad we knew the 20% correction was coming, minus all news narratives swell nonsense. Ha ha ha. So that's what happened recently. How we're seeing a little bit of a correction coming in here. However, a lot of these trend lines are saying, okay, well, if it goes down here, it's going to bounce back up. It's just a matter of timing as to seeing when it comes. Granted, it's looking like no matter what, by the end of December, we should be seeing gains. It looks like mid-December, we should be seeing some gains regardless. That's what the prediction is saying. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I'm very intrigued. Do you think this is a good accuraization or a good prediction or no? Let's see. All right, next we got this article coming in from Coinpedia, ETF or Ripple IPO, which will skyrocket XRP's price to $25. So in a recent episode of Crypto Crossfire on Ben Armstrong's crypto channel, experts had a lively debate about what could drive XRP to an impressive $25. The hot topics were the upcoming XRP exchange-traded fund and the much-awaited initial public offering of Ripple, the company closely tied to XRP. In this article, we delve into the arguments presented by the experts and explore the potential impact of events on the XRP's price. So guys, let's jump right into it. So here's this tweet from Ben Armstrong, which was highlighting that debate. So let's get into it. So the discussion kicked off with AJ posing a key question: which would impact XRP more, Ripple's IPO or XRP's ETF? So AJ swiftly backed the ETF, stating his case with confidence. He noted that the underwhelming performance of the Coinbase IPO, emphasizing the gap between its pre-IPO and launch day valuations. Coinbase currently sits at $26 billion, notably lower than its initial figures. Drawing parallels to a potential Ripple IPO, AJ suggested that trading Ripple shares might not directly help XRP holders. Instead, he argued that an ETF linked directly to XRP could swiftly and significantly impact the digital assets prices. Historical examples like Bitcoin's futures ETF causing price surges in October 2021 backed to AJ's statement. He concluded that based on past trends, ETFs related speculation could have more influence than an IPO. Ben Armstrong had a different argument. He had to say, he raised concerns about the uncertainty surrounding a company's IPO and its digital assets price in the crypto market. Armstrong highlighted that the crypto landscape, especially for major coins like XRP, hasn't fully felt the impact of such a significant event. Unlike traditional stock markets, crypto often sees immediate price fluctuations with IPOs, arguing that IPO benefits goes to the company and shareholders who might cash in and cause a temporary stock drop. Ben contested AJ's view. He maintained that Coinbase's IPO was indeed successful. So currently at $0.64868, XRP faces a significant climb to $25, needing a whopping 3,768% growth. Amid the ongoing debate about the controversial XRP ETF and Ripple's IPO, the crypto community eagerly waits which event will truly impact XRP's advice. Guys, I'm so intrigued by this. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, which one will affect it more. Next, we got this article coming in talking about the SEC versus Ripple behind the scenes activity, a focal point. So they kind of just go in a little bit depth, and there's a few things I wanted to cover here. So first, let's get started. So on Wednesday, there were no SEC Ripple case related updates for investors to consider. The lack of updates left XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market. Very cool. SEC Ripple case on ice. So while XRP responded to broader market moves, the SEC case is on ice until the new year. According to the court scheduling order, the SEC and Ripple must complete remedies related discovery by February 12, 2024. The first significant date is March 13, 2024, when the SEC must file its brief concerning remedies for XRP. The brief will be the first show of intent on how aggressively the SEC will pursue any appeals. Proposals for punitive penalties around $770 million figure could surprise the markets. As background, the SEC is eyeing a potential $770 million disgorgement. The $770 million represents total XRP sales to institutional investors. On Wednesday, Crypto Law US and amicus curiae attorney Johnny Deaton discussed the likelihood of a $770 million penalty. Deaton cited two case laws that suggest the penalty could be significantly lower. However, Judge Annalisa Torres will ultimately decide the penalty. Beyond case law, two things in Ripple's favor include no fraudulent activity and few, if any, victims of XRP sales to institutional investors. While the case is on ice as the discovery proceeds, case-related news will influence the appetite for XRP. So here's a daily chart. Or here's a daily chart. Let's just take a quick look at it. I know we were looking at some earlier today, but I want to just take a look right at the price trend. So earlier today, he was talking about this is the resistance block that we're hitting, and he says, in the other tweet is saying it's gonna by around right here. It's gonna peak right around December, and then start going up after that. But here is the XRP to US dollar on Binance. Take a look. I don't know if you guys need to know anything deeper about that, but yeah, very interesting. Very, very cool. Here's a 4 hourly chart if you guys need to take a look at that very quickly. Interesting, 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 interesting. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Next, let's get into this final article from the crypto basics. So Ripple CLO says judge are criticizing SEC for its shady behavior. So here's Stuart Alderty, the Ripple chief legal officer. What a handsome man. So in a recent tweet, Alderty pointed out that the SEC is losing legal battles and being criticized by federal judge due to the commission's shady behavior. Furthermore, the Ripple CLO noted that the government's internal auditor is also rebuked the SEC, adding that the commission has continued to conceal information about its meeting with a felon. Lastly, Alderty aimed a direct jab at Gensler, describing him as an insolent Cole Jessup, one of the lead characters in the movie A Few Good Men. So, here you can see Stuart Alderty talking about that, creating that jab at Gensler. So let's get into it. So this is not the first time Alderty has publicly criticized the Securities and Exchange Commission and its chair. Recall that the SEC charged Ripple in December 2020 with violating federal securities law via the sale of XRP, an asset it labeled as an unregistered security. Contrary to the SEC's claim, the judge ruled that XRP in itself is not a security, while also declaring that most of Ripple's transactions do not violate the law. Judge Annalisa Torres, the judge overseeing the Ripple lawsuit, slammed the commission over its inconsistent theories in its relations to its arguments. Aside from the Ripple case, the SEC has also suffered major defeat against crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments over the company's spot Bitcoin ETF application. In the ruling, the judge slammed the SEC for being arbitrary and capricious via its regulation method. So very interesting. So one of the cases that Johnny Deaton brought up, we're gonna take a look into that one. So it's a Ripple. So it's the Govil ruling. So here, let's get into it. So the Second Circuit, where the commission lost its case against Aaron Govil. According to many legal experts, the Govil ruling could impact the remedies based phase of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. The ruling suggests that the penalties should only be awarded to victims who suffered economic losses. It bears mentioning that the Ripple case is in the remedies phase. As reported earlier, the court issued the remedies scheduling order, indicating that the parties will complete all remedies related discovery by February 12, 2024. It is expected that the SEC will demand a fine of $770 million from Ripple for violating the law via its institutional sales of XRP. Notably, $770 million is the amount Ripple raised by selling XRP to institutional clients. However, legal experts like Johnny Deaton and Jeremy Hogan speculate that Ripple will trim amount by excluding non-US sales and its legitimate business expensive. So guys, I think I recall correctly, a lot of the XRP sales, I believe it was only 5% of them were in the US, right? So that's absolutely insane because that's a huge difference. 5% of 770 million is a lot different than $770 million in itself. I'd love to know exactly what that number is. I can't remember. I think I highlighted it in yesterday's video, but still important to take a look. Now guys, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some important information out of this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm your host, Amr. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a good one, and good luck trading. Ripple CTO spooks the XRP community with a cryptic post. XRP's path amidst the SEC's lawsuit spree as Kraken joins the Coinbase in the fray. And Ripple's XRP emerges as a top investment choice among major banks. Guys, we've got so much to talk about today. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video. I'm your host, Amr. Let's not waste any more time and hop right into it. Firstly, we got this tweet coming from @Edward_Farina. Breaking news. SEC Gov files a lawsuit against Kraken and accuses the platform of selling securities. The token classified as securities are ADA, AXS, ALGO, AFOM, COTI, DASH, FIL, FLOW, ICP, MANA, METIC, NEER, NEAR, OMG, SAND, and SOL. XRP is not a security and was not included. Big news there, guys. Huge news, and it's a very important deliberation to make here because the whole issue that's going on with the Ripple case is about them being considered a security, and so we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But yeah. Next, we got this tweet coming from Jack the Rippler. Boom! Ripple's partner Al Ansari Financial Services subsidiary to launch digital wallet in Dubai next year. Digital wallet will allow users to pay bills, receive salaries, carry out money remittances, and access microfinance. Wow. Very, very, very fantastic news. He does boom for everything. I'm looking at these tweets. He does boom for everything, but he's not. At least one thing I appreciate is he's not like actually spreading false information or anything like that. He's just saying this stuff. I think he does the boom just for the clicks and stuff like that, which I'm okay with. If you're not saying anything that's actually like, messed up, then that's cool with me. Next, we got this other tweet coming in from Credifi at Credifi_finance. We're happy to announce our integration with XRP Ledger. Here's our latest news, which will give you a handful of insight, and they have their link listed right there. I highly suggest you guys take a look at this. We are excited to bring more light into what Credifi is trying to achieve in the near future. Expanding the boundaries of traditional finance and blockchain technology is just a small fraction of what we're aiming for. But the first move is not an easy task, but we've been managing it quite well so far. Absolutely fantastic to hear, guys. Let me know what you guys think about Credifi. It is just dropped, so I assume not a lot of you guys know too much about it. However, I'd like to know if you guys did some research and are looking into it. Very, very interesting, guys. We love to see these kind of partnerships going on and these kind of integrations going on. It's always good for the community. If it doesn't work out, then boom, we notice something that doesn't work out. If it does work out, then hey, we got something that works out. Lit. All right, next let's jump into some articles here. Ripple's XRP emerges as the top investment choice among major banks, and this is coming from Coinpedia, written by Kadir AK. So let's get right into it. So, in a significant development for the cryptocurrency sector, Ripple's XRP has been identified as a preferred investment choice amongst the world's leading banks. According to the new report by the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, which is BCBS, the principal global standard setter for banks' prudential regulation, has introduced a comprehensive data set focusing on banks engaging with crypto assets. Big thing right there, guys. I'm gonna keep my eye on BCBS and their their data set that's going on with banks engagement on crypto assets. So the BCBS crypto asset data collection template, the data set stems from a crypto asset data collection template launched by the BCBS in 2018. The template was designed to align with the committee's consultative documents from June 2021 and June 2022 on the prudential treatment of crypto asset exposures. It offers detailed insights into banks' cryptos holding, facilitating analysis of their exposures. Data for this report was provided by 9 banks from America, 7 from Europe, and 2 from another region. The findings reveal that XRP, the third largest altcoin, constitutes a significant portion of the bank's cryptocurrency engagements. Specifically, XRP accounts for 2% of the total 9.4 billion euros exposure in the sector, amounting to approximately 188 million euros, which is about $205 million. Amidst the general anticipation for Bitcoin ETF approvals, Ripple's XRP has established itself as a solid and attractive investment option. John Dean, a pro XRP attorney and founder of Crypto Law, recently advised against making investment decisions based on the fear of missing out, which is FOMO. He suggests investing in cryptocurrencies like XRP before such market sentiments take hold, citing examples of XRP's price movements around key events. Concurrently, Ali Martinez, a renowned crypto analyst, predicts a bullish trend for XRP. His analysis is based on the TD sequential indicator and notable increase in activities by XRP whales, signaling a potential shift in market dynamics. So big news here, guys. We'll see if how this plays out, whether they're definitely showing interest, and they're showing the banks are showing interest and are being exposed to XRP, which is phenomenal. I think it's absolutely awesome. I hope that they continue to do this. I hope XRP dominates in this regards. I think it kind of goes hand in hand, banks and XRP. Next, let's move on to this next article coming from FX Empire. XRP's path amid SEC's lawsuit spree as Kraken joins Coinbase in the fray. So let's get right into it. So guys, if you didn't know, well, let's just jump right in. So on Monday, there was no SEC versus Ripple case related news to influence buyer demand for XRP. As per court order dated November 13th, 2023, remedies related discovery is underway. So they're talking about how on February 12th, and I believe it's sometime in April, there's going to be some more dates. But February 12th is when the Ripple and SEC must complete the remedies related discovery. But let's get into Kraken. So, SEC sues Kraken for illegally operating as a securities exchange. On Monday, investors reacted to the news of SEC using Kraken among the largest crypto exchanges in the world. The SEC alleges Kraken operated an online crypto trading platform acting as a broker, dealer, exchange, and clearing agency for crypto asset securities. The SEC also alleges Kraken commingled customer crypto assets and cash with its own. So, Dave Ripley, the CEO of Kraken, had to say, "We strongly disagree with the SEC claims, stand firm in our view that we do not list securities, and plan to vigorously defend our position. As we have seen before, the SEC argues that Kraken FX should come in and register with the agency when there is no clear path to registration. Its allegations are factually incorrect, contrary to law, and the wrong way to create policy in the United States. As an industry leader, we will stand up to these allegations and defend the crypto industry's right to exist in the U.S. We believe congressional action is the most appropriate path to resolving lack of regulatory clarity in the U.S. and will continue to support